I've just launched the Instagram app. Next, I'm going to add an image. I'll click on the plus icon. I'll then see my library of images on my device. I'll choose the one that I want. I can apply a filter if I want. I then want to caption the image, then click on OK. I can tag other people if I wanted. I can also add a location of where the picture was taken. At the same time, I can choose if I want to post the same image on some of my other social network accounts. Click share. The image is now posted to Instagram. To increase the visibility of the image, I want to add some tags similar to Twitter. I'll then click on the speech bubble icon. I'll then use a hashtag and type in some appropriate names to categorize the image. In this instance, I can choose things like rabbits of Instagram. As you type, suggestions appear and it identifies how many other images have used that hashtag. You can use up to 30 hashtags. Remember, as well as posting your image, it's always best to use the hashtag to categorize and promote the visibility of your image.